I'm Peter Griffin, and somehow I'm always in trouble.
I'm Meg Griffin. Maybe one day they'll finally notice me.
I'm Chris Griffin. Life is weird, but I'm just going with it.
I'm Cleveland Brown. I always stay calm under pressure.
I'm Joe Swanson. Nothing can stop me from protecting this town. I'm Glenn Quagmire. Giggity. Let's get this party started.